everyone. We're at Cat's base. Helena needs a new set of rotor blades.
Ooh, some music while you work.
Now we just need to attach the new rotors. Huh? There's no electricity. It must be a power cut.
Oh no! Helena can't fly! My warning system doesn't work. What will we do if there's an emergency?
Wait, everyone! I've got an idea. With these old rotors, we can build a turbine and generate power from the wind. Oh, phew. Thanks, Red. Don't let go. Once we get this turbine up in the air, the wind will spin the blades and generate clean electricity for Cat's base. Now, Cat! Huh? Red! You can let go now!
Whoa there! You're not supposed to fly.
Ha-ha! Hooray! There you go. We work together as a team to make electricity that is so clean.